Hello and welcome to Fun Sock Creations Star Wars inspired tie-dye series. This is part 5 of the 7-part series. You don't have to travel to a galaxy far, far away to find awesome socks. Just make these, sparkles and all. Be sure to check out our previously released episodes by clicking on the little info link in the upper right-hand corner, and then also watch for our last 2 episodes coming soon to see other fun Star Wars inspired ideas. To create this look, you'll need the following supplies. You can check out funsockcity.com to find comfy white socks for this project. When beginning the tie-dye project, make sure to wet your socks thoroughly and then wring out all the excess water until just damp. To fold these socks, you'll basically divide it into thirds. Squish the top third up and rubber band that tightly. Then move to the middle and squish that part up, rubber band that, and then do the same thing on the bottom portion. Repeat this process on the second sock. Prepare your surface for tie-dye and then mix the dye according to the directions. Begin with the lightest colored dye, mine was pink, and starting at the center fold, that middle of the sock, dye that pink. Then you'll gradually move with the darker colors further and further out towards the edges. Once you've finished tie-dyeing, place the socks inside a baggie for at least 24 hours. Then run the socks under water until the water runs clear. You can also throw them in your washing machine and then dry them. Once dry, you can add the sparkles. To do this, I simply pulled mine over the tops of some large conditioner and shampoo bottles to hold them upright, and then just put the glitter wherever you feel it would look nice. I put mine mostly on the white, but added some here and there in other places. Once the glitter glue dries in the places where you've already added it, go ahead and slide the socks down the bottles and then add the glitter glue in that section. And that's it. You're ready to rock your socks.